a gavel, so I'm just gonna use a water bottle. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, do you testify that you were in no way involved with the case of Jimmy Slimmy, a poor man who was robbed of his licorice lumber because he was sleeping a slumber during the jellybean heist which happened on Elm Street? I was there. It was a nightmare. Silence in my court. Mr. Jellybean, how do you plead? Huh? Oh! Me? Sorry, man. I was just listening to a podcast. It's really
Today
good.
we're gonna work on being a better thief.
You should think about listening to it sometime. Anyway, what was the question? Mr. Jellybean, were you or were you not one of the criminals involved in the Jellybean heist? What? Oh, yeah, I was. Very well. Then by order of my court and by state law, you are now seen as a criminal in the eyes of New Jersey and under the eyes of God. I sentence you to 6 months in this. Hold on. I don't plead guilty, though. Mr. Jellybean, did you or did you not break into the licorice forest, steal Jimmy Slimmy's licorice lumber while he was sleeping a slumber, knocking over his son's blueberry crumbler, killing a poor family of bumblebee bumblers in the licorice forest before returning to your jellybean cave with the stolen goods? What? No, like I said, I did all that. I don't plead guilty. I did all that. I don't regret any of it, and I don't wish I hadn't done it, and I don't feel bad. So I'm pleading not guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, by order of the court, please return to your seat, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. By order of the court, and by the state of New Jersey, we require your answer unless you have already answered. Yes, we've already answered. Very well. Then by order of the court, I now formally deny you any criminal charges in the state of New Jersey involving the case of Jimmy Slimmy and his licorice lumber. Not guilty. You may return to your place of residence immediately. My court dismissed. I told you guys that would work. Everything's legal in New Jersey. I've heard that in a song once.
Bloopers.
Rap boot camp,
Time to get in shape.
Mr.
Rap boot camp. Time to get in shape.
Killing a poor family.
You gotta tell me if you're changing keys.
Bumblebee bumblers.
Rap boot camp.
Talking just to feel